Benvenuto al Pomodoro!
First,
Ano mo muna question?
Dito sa Pampanga, this is the closest you can get to good Italian food.
Babo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. For today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Balibago Angeles City and we are featuring this newest Italian pizza restaurant. So this is Pomodoro. If you're interested for pizza, pasta, and chicken wings, guys, this is the place. It's a new restaurant dito po sa Angeles City, and if you want to know more, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! So, coming in here guys, this is the place. If you notice, napaka-Italian vibe natin dito. So, the owners actually wanted to have us, mga Pilipinos, mga Kapampangan, to have a ambience. It's like you go to an Italian restaurant talaga in Italy, but the price and the taste is talagang acceptable sa atin as mga Pinoy. Check out my table for today. Sobrang grabe. So thank you so much again, Pomodoro, for inviting us. Guys.
Hello, my name is Jonel. I'm the branch owner of Pomodoro Angeles.
Hello, I'm Michelle De Guzman, one of the co-founders of Pomodoro Pizza. Started with the carinderia version way back 2014 in Kapitolyo branch. We started with a small stall with our own signature recipe with the help of my sister and my brother-in-law's friend to do the recipes of our Pomodoro restaurant.
Pomodoro Restaurant, sir, is a Italian restaurant that serves pizza, pasta, and also we serve also chicken wings. Sa pizza namin, ang best sellers namin is formaggio cremoso. Formaggio cremoso with the 4 cheese. And then for our pasta, we have the pomodoro. And for our chicken wings, we have the sriracha mansi.
We want our customers to feel the Italian vibe, giving them a good service with Italian quality food. Kayang-kayang bilhin ng mga Pinoy.
Thank you so much po, Pomodoro, for inviting us. Grabe yung table natin dito, ang dami.
Feast.
It's a feast. I mean, when you order here, for example, isa lang po ako pumunta dito. Usually, I'll order one. A chicken perhaps, and then pasta perhaps. Pero grabe naman po yung pinipare nyo, ang dami nito. So, this can literally feed like up until 10 persons siguro po. Ano? For anything else siguro, let's introduce po yung mga pinrepare niyo sa atin. Okay, so this is your...
That's the pesto pizza, margarita.
Margarita, yes!
This is crowd's favorite, formaggio cremoso.
Formaggio cremoso, non-meat,
Non-meat.
all cheese.
Yes.
That one is the Alfredo.
And the Amanti.
Amanti. Again, how many pizza flavors do you have, ma'am?
We have 12 choices of pizza.
Alright, so 5 out of 12. Okay na tayo doon. Now for the pasta, so you prepared for all in all, how many flavors do you have?
15.
15. Oh, that's a lot. So yeah, let's introduce. So this is carbonara, and then this is pesto. This is
The aglio olio.
and then the last one is the bolognese. Ayan. Now for the chicken, we have 4 flavors.
Yes, sir.
Sriracha mansi, and then
Salted egg.
salted egg. Crowd's favorite egg.
Yes.
Salted egg. Which one is your favorite?
For me, the formaggio.
Formaggio. Okay, I'm gonna take that one. I'll taste it. Ooh. Whoa! Look at that. Grabe naman. That's so cheesy. I don't know if you can see it, guys, pero yeah. Okay, so I'll have this one. Sige po. So nga pala sa mga pieces nila, so they have 10, 12, and 14 inches.
Yes.
Alright, so the 10 inches, how much is the pinaka-cheapest natin? And
We have 199.
199, and what flavor is it?
It's margarita.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. 14 inches, how much is sabihin na rin, pinaka-expensive?
The 14 inches is around 500 plus.
For what flavor?
This one, formaggio cremoso.
No doubt, guys. No doubt. I mean, parang siyang parang nagla-landslide yung cheese.
Exactly, sir.
Sa mga celebrities na nag-endorse na.
Actually, we have our shareholder. It's JJ Helder brand. If you know him.
Of course. He doesn't know him. So, shareholder din si Sir JJ.
Yes, he joined Pomodoro Pizza way back a few years ago when he retired.
So, which one is their favorite?
This one too, the formaggio cremoso. They
This one's
really
good.
love it.
This one's good.
For our Pomodoro Pizza branches, our main branch is Kapitolyo branch, which is in Pasig City. We also have in South branches, MOONWALK Parañaque, BF Homes Parañaque, in UST Manila, PACITA Laguna, MOLINO BACOOR, also in Antipolo, which is in Marcos Highway, Catlea Gardens, MAKATI. If you're in Visayas naman, we also have in DAET, CAMARINES, NORTE. We also have in Las Piñas, NAGA Road, and Talon, Las Piñas.
And also for our Angeles branch, we are located at Almalel building, Balibago Angeles City.
Try naman sa kanilang mga pasta. Which one should I try first? So this one is your?
This is the alio olio.
Alio. Is this your favorite naman, sir?
Yes, sir. This is
Okay.
the all base.
Okay, I'll get this this piece na Ayan, syempre titikman nyo rin. Do you have plans of expanding pa dito sa Pampanga or throughout North?
Yes,
maybe.
kung meron.
Yeah, siguro po, for those who are interested to
franchise.
probably may mga nanonood na gusto magpa-franchise. So, how can they contact you po?
They can contact us through our email, pomodoropizza@franchising.com.
For the phone number to call if you want to franchise, we're gonna be providing dun sa caption na lang natin.
Yes.
Alright? So what's the secret?
It's the sauce.
It's Wow. Again, I gotta say, congratulations po kay Pomodoro. I mean, in these times of, pandemic, kahit na how many months in the making to, but at least we were able to put up another option for our community, mga kabanes. What they're trying to sell or serve us is really good Italian food, from the flavor, from the look. For the last time, please kindly invite our viewers po to come and check out your new restaurant.
To all our kabalens in Angeles City, please come to Pomodoro Pizza Angeles branch.
So guys, again, another option. We're gonna enjoy this off-cam. Nahihiya sila eh. Pero thank you so much, Pomodoro, for inviting us. Again guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, if this is helpful to you, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out, guys.
Thank you.
Ano kasing greeting natin? Bien Bodo?
It's Ben Benita. No.
Nakalimutan namin.
Nakalimutan na naman.
Anyway guys, thanks for watching.
It's Ben
Bye!
Benito.